wo mo fẹ́ kẹ́ wá lọ gbọ́ ohun tí arákùnrin yìí sọ ipe ẹ̀sìn sọ pé kí Tinubu wọlé ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì máa yìí nígbà tí òun di hospital ó ní kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀dì kankan ó ṣàlàyé oríṣiríṣi àwọn èèyàn wípé àwọn èèyàn ò fẹ́ bọ́ta arákùnrin wa ní bẹ́ẹ̀ bọ́ta wọ́n á pa yín mọ́lẹ̀ in fact ẹ wò ẹ jẹ́ ara ni mo kàn ara ìntì ẹ̀ díẹ̀ fún wa ni mo fẹ́ kẹ́ wá lọ gbọ́ bí arákùnrin yìí ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ àgbà tó yin interview àwọn aráàlú ohun tí àwọn aráàlú náà sọ ẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run bá mi ní ṣé bá a ṣe máa bá lọ rèé ẹ wò ẹ jẹ́ ká wá lọ gbọ́ bí arákùnrin náà bí ó ṣe yànnà náà ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ wá lọ gbọ́.
èèyàn tó ń kú everyday ní Naija ẹ ti àkọ́kọ́ fi gbèsè sílẹ̀ people wey dey kpai every day for this country. Oye yín mo lọ sí popular hospital kan lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí mo kúrò nínú ọjà yẹn mo ṣe ń bọ́rọ̀ mi lọ ní sà. Getting to that popular hospital bí hospital yẹn ṣe tóbi tó kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀dì kankan bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́ sà. Ó ti yé yín. They have different type of what's it called? Different type of place don't take care àwọn èèyàn emergency wà delivery room wà accident whatever kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀dì kankan bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́ ṣá o. Reason tèmi dẹ̀ fi nǹkan tó jẹ́ kémi rí pé kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀dì kankan mọ́ ni wípé nígbà tèmi débẹ̀ mo rí àwọn kan tó ń treat wọn lórí tiles mo rí àwọn kan tó ń treat wọn lórí bench ó ti yé yín àwọn bench tó máa fi mú ògógóró tó máa fi tayọ ọlọ́pọ́n gbà yẹn mo rí wọn tó ń treat wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ tí family wọn gbómi dání báyìí ó ti yé yín don't pull your eyes tí family wọn gbómi dání tó ń take care wọn please double tap and share please. So mo á béèrè question what is going on here wọ́n ní kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀dì mọ́ ni fún wọn. I have a brother he's not my family brother but be street brother ni he's a doctor in that hospital mo lọ bá ẹ̀gbọ́n kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ kí ló fa gbogbo àwọn sickness yìí ẹ̀gbọ́n yẹn confirm ẹ̀ fún mi wípé most of the sickness táwọn people yìí ní pé àìrò oúnjẹ jẹ ló fa sickness yẹn sẹ́lòmíì lára. Ẹ̀gbọ́n yẹn tún sọ fún mi wípé ìjẹkújẹ nǹkan tí ò yẹ kéèyàn jẹ ló fa sickness yẹn sí wọn lára. Pé if to say dem dey chop and dem dey chop wetin make sense no be say something wey don expire no be say something wey dem no suppose bring to our country say all these people dem no suppose get that disease wey dem get. People full there a lot of them sef you go see mama wey don 80 like this wey dey stand like this for where him wan pay to see doctor bro 80 something years old mama she dey stand for sun inside sun like this no be one no be two no be three o. Una dey hear wetin me I dey tell na you wey you dey other men's country wey your mama sick your mama dey where she dey stand for sun she wan pay money to see doctor your mama wey be say she don enter 70-80 years I use my eye see there though all those things don dey happen tey o I just go there yesterday to go confirm because people dey say this man dey work I never see where the man dey work. So I go out there to check which aspect this man take dey work. You understand? So getting to that hospital, I see nothing is working, you know. And that is so sad. Ọmọ kékeré ó ní kidney problem. Ọmọ tí ò mu gbórí tí ò mu sìgá. Àwọn bàbá tó ti mu gbó tán sàn fún wọn níná gan láti gbà ẹ́ there still dey. Ọmọdé wọn ló ń jẹ tán jẹ òun ló kọsẹ̀. People are fed up, they are tired, but the question is they are not ready to go out there to face these people. You know what I stand for, right? I talk to them, God, all this suffering wey we dey suffer, let's go out there to ask all these people question. All these people then they tell me say they no wan go, then go kpai them. Then go kpai una, but una dey kpai for this same hospital now. They say it better like that. Say make them kpai for that hospital is better than make them kpai them with gun. Una dey hear me? Every Nigerians are tired, and that is the reality. They are not happy with this man. but they don't want to go out there to speak. That's the only problem, you know. And I try to even trigger it, you understand? I try to trigger it that, okay, when I no one die like this now, then they fight people every day. I bring the example of what happened in Kwara State. Please, DJ, mute yourself, please. I bring that one out as an example. If we go out there like this now and say we won't go ask all these people question, then if you buy 200 people in a day, and I bring example, say, okay, then buy more than 200 within 16 hours in Nigeria, and nothing happen. That is a good example for people to get their minds ready, you know, for this. But I see that all these people, they are not ready. And say, kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Kìnìkan àwọn tó wà níta yìí ìjọba àyà ni wọ́n pa gbogbo èèyàn dànù kìnìkan wọ́n pa yín international community á dẹ̀ máa wò wọ́n ràn pé wọ́n pa gbogbo yín dànù. This is common sense. Let's go out there to ask questions. Bro, Nigerians are not ready to do that. For those of una wey una dey talk say ká má send owó sí wọn mọ́ kìnìkan bá wọn send owó sí wọn mọ́. Wọ́n tán bá ti gbóòórùn yẹ̀pẹ̀ tán ti rí pé yẹ̀pẹ̀ dùn wọ́n máa jẹ yẹ̀pẹ̀ lọ. You understand? All these people, they are not ready to face their oppressor at all. They are not ready. Mo jáde lánàá gan mo bá different type of people sọ̀rọ̀. They are all going through a lot. They are going through hell, you know. Mo bá ìyá kan náà sọ̀rọ̀. She's in the market. I just saw the way she dressed. I was talking to her. What is going on, mama? She dey tell me say 2 of her pikin now don kpai. He said na malaria, say one get typhoid. Say one get typhoid, you understand? One na malaria, one get typhoid. Say she no get money wey she wan use take care of them. Una dey hear me? So she can't stand on the road, go dey beg people for money. That is when I asked the woman question, mama, what is going on? Teshedudo, it could make sense. She dey tell me say 2 of her pikin now don't die. Say the last one like this now. That last one sef no even well. Una know say some people like this, then they go out there to use that same format. But I saw some people for that place wey sabi the woman well. We will say and they talk. Ìyá òkìkí kìnìkan. So that thing wey do the woman, ìyá yẹn ti fẹ́ máa ya wèrè gan. Kò yé yín. She no normal again. That pikin wey die, she no dey normal again. You understand? Because bóyá wà ń bẹ̀ yẹn táwọn èèyàn ṣe ń kọjá pé Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ àrí kú ọmọ o. Una know that kind Yorùbá gossip talk wey dem dey talk. Dem dey talk am kò easy ó try gan. Ọmọ ẹ̀ méjì tó kú yẹn ó lọ fà gan kìnìkan. I dey hear people wey dey talk am dey pass. You understand? Pikin wey get malaria and typhoid, you no suppose die for Nigeria. And there is another couple. She kpai last month as well. Now that same typhoid kpai the couple. Let's say she come up for camp last week like this now. She can't kpai this week. Then notice say okay, this woman she get typhoid. Then carry her go hospital. No better treatment. She kpai. Ọ̀rẹ́ àbúrò mi final year student. Nǹkan tó pa àbọ̀ yẹn náà 2 years ago ni. Malaria, typhoid náà ló pa. I don't know why people are not keeping quiet. I don't know. People are tired. I have to tell you the reality. They are not happy at all. They are not happy. I don't know what they are waiting for. I don't know what is stopping them to go out there, you know. Some people are saying all these people, they need education. We need to go there to speak with them. Bro, nǹkan tí mo ṣe lánàá yẹn mo speak brain wọn mo bọ́jà ṣe pọ̀ tó ni. I'm talking. Nǹkan tí mo kàn tún appreciate about God nípa life mi ni wípé whenever I'm talking, a lot of people, they are ready to listen to me, you know. Èmi gan mo ń wò báyìí pé lémi náà. People they stand like this, they hear wetin I dey talk. Then they say nǹkan tẹ́gbọ́n yìí ń sọ òótọ́ ni o, òótọ́ wà ń bẹ̀, you know. People won't hear wetin me I wan talk. As I small like this, all those old mama, they won't hear waiting Ademi won't talk. And they listen to me. Hey, I talk about our religion system as well. Why people are suffering when we say they don't invest for their church. Why those church no fit take good care of them? Why church they build school where we say those people pikin no fit go? Why they no fit build hospital where we say na free? Anybody wey sick, make them go they take care of them there. Why? Then they hear wetin me and they talk. Some of them they feel sad, bro, but they are not ready to go out there to fight for their freedom, you know. They are waiting for Messiah. They are waiting for Jesus. That is what they are saying. They said everything that I'm talking about is truth, but Kolong Bawani, I was like, what are you saying? Kolong Bawa ke ni 24th century. Kolong Bawa. People are going through a lot, but they don't want to go out there. That's the fact. They are going through hell, and I want to tell you for free, bro, nothing wey fit happen for Nigeria we go make all these people come out. Because person wey too pikin kpai for the same sickness where there is no hospital we go take care of them. Kilo tuku mo ó yẹ kẹ́ni yẹn gan kó yára ẹ̀ sí wòwò gan kan finance hospital kan buy everywhere Jenny. That's the fact. But they don't want to do that. They will rather die like a coward than to die like a hero, you know. That is what is happening in Nigeria. People are tired, but they can't go out there, you know. Some people, they can't even go out there. When I'm trying to trigger this, we can do this, then they take me back to Lekki. I was like, now the bad side we saw for there, now that thing una they talk. Make una they talk about the good thing where they did. I still pull mouth for that good thing where they did. Say, when answers happen, if you enter that water, you will get sense. When that answers happen, there are some stuff where we say we achieve from that place. You understand? We see all these bastards running here and there. That is telling us that we can get our country back, you know. We can get our country back. Power belongs to the people. I was telling them.
You want to give me a missed call? Problem. All right.
But they don't want to, you know. I want to pa wọ́n yẹn. Not pa wọ́n. Nǹkan tó wà ní brain wọn nìyẹn. You understand? Nǹkan tó wà okay, tó wà ńbẹ̀ tó jẹ́ wípé okay, at least we can get our country back. Wọ́n rántí yẹn rárá. But wọ́n pa wọ́n yẹn. Àwọn àwé yẹn dájú. Wọ́n ṣe gbá kan, wọ́n ṣàwò kan, wọ́n lè pa gbogbo èèyàn dànù. Now wetin dey their brain be that? The good aspect where they there say, okay, oh, if people then go fit collect this country back. All this ojelu, then they run here and there. That one no dey their brain, bro. Now one pa malama, kò sí nǹkan kan tó ṣẹlẹ̀. Nǹkan tó sọ nìyẹn, and I'm still telling them. We learn a lot of lesson from what happened in Lekki. Now, if we want to do another protest, we don't need to sleep for that road again. We don't need to stay there till midnight. Bro, all these people, they no one hear. Oh. I no go lie for now. They no one hear. DJ, please, unmute yourself. Let's hear from you. You have been there. What do you have, call? Thank you so much, Mr. I can't see that name very well. Thank you so much for the like. You understand? People are tired. I no go lie for una. Nobody wey una go ask question wey no go talk. I can't still go there. Go pharmacy. Bro, you pay me yesterday say all this thing where they talk. Evidence no dey. If you say evidence dey, una go just dey see. Una go dey cry sef. Una go dey cry. Una no go dey happy. Una go dey cry. See wetin all these bad leaders turn una people to. Bro, una go dey cry. People they wait 2-3 hours to see a pharmacy. Una no understand. Say okay, they no want go hospital. Hospital no make sense. We want see pharma. Then they sit down like this. They wait for them 2-3 hours. Then they call them like this. Oga, where you dey? Mumbo. No be him fault. Now only him. He don't attend to people tired. He don't run away. He won't die. Eh? Mr. Alaska, how you doing? Good morning.
I did, my brother. Yes, sir. Good morning.
I did all right. People they are fed up, you know. I don't go lie for now. People are tired. 2-3
Bro, I
hours.
understand say people don't tire, but my own point of view now say we still need to rally
Lobatan
around.
Marshall, please.
We still need to rally around Bola
Mr.
Ahmed
Bola, how you doing? Good morning.
because Bola Ahmed is doing his best. If you understand what I'm saying, the only thing we can do at this point is to get our PVC, come out and vote for the right guy, which is Bola. Don't
Which
listen
is
to all the
Bola Ahmed Tinubu,
propaganda.
right?
Yes,
Which is
yes,
Bola Ahmed Tinubu, right?
100%, 100%. So we don't need to listen
Hold
to
on,
all
bro.
this propaganda.
Hold on, sir. Are you a Yoruba, sir? You are a Yoruba man, right?
100%.
Ọlọ́run tó lọ́jọ́ òní tó ṣílẹ̀kùn ọjọ́ òní kò ní jẹ́ kí òbí ẹ kó jèrè gbogbo nǹkan tó tara òbí ẹ jáde ò ní jèrè kankan bẹ́ẹ̀. Kó o bí gbọmọ láyé ìwọ gan tó
Àwọn ìyá
sọ̀rọ̀
ẹ̀
ìwà
máa
àfojú
ṣọ́kù ni,
sọ́kùn
àwọn
gbogbo
ìyá ẹ̀
àwọn ọmọ
máa
ẹ̀
ṣọ́kù,
ní. Kò ní
gbogbo àwọn
jèrè
ọmọ tiẹ̀ ló máa
tìrantìran.
ṣọ́kù bó ìwà
Kọ́dún yìí tó
yìí.
kolẹ̀
Àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ máa.
wọ́n gbàgbé oró nílé yín ọ̀ ní soríire tìrantìran. Kọ́ bí gbọmọ láyé ọ̀ fojú sunkún gbogbo wọn ni. Kọ́ bí 1 trillion ọmọ láyé ọ̀ fojú sunkún gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ò ní jèrè tìrantìran. Ọlọ́run tó ṣílẹ̀kùn ọjọ́ òní yóò jẹ́ gbogbo orí burúkú tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sáwọn èèyàn yẹn ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí gbogbo ọ̀ràn ẹ̀ ní di 2027. You can't just keep quiet now. People no fit drive, they no fit go anywhere again. You are here. People should go and get their PVC and vote for this motherfucker. People get liver.
Hello, Mr. Demi.
And they tell you say hospital no dey, then they treat person on top bench like this. Something where I use my eye see yesterday. You still they come here, come they tell people say, may them still get their PVC and vote for this man. This man is trying his best. Which best?
Hello, Mr.
All
Demi.
those people where they don't buy like this, then go feed the drive on top that bastard coastal road. Where una they do? Coastal,
Hello, Mr. Demi.
coastal road my foot. How you dey? Issue.
Mo wà jàre mo wà o. Ìjọ tó ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ tán yẹn ẹ wò ó. Bí pé àwọn tó ti sponsor ẹ̀ lórí kó wọn máa sáré kiri kó bọ́ sí àwọn social media kó bọ́ sí gbogbo àwọn platforms yẹn. Ẹ understand bẹ́ẹ̀? Wèrè ń ṣe wọ́n wọn fọpọlọ ṣe nǹkan ni.
Was there? Please hold on, my brother. Let me answer this person. Was there
Okay.
hospital during Jonathan time? Yes. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni, olórí burúkú ẹ̀ tó o bá sí ní Nàìjíríà ń gbà yẹn mọ́ wá bíbá and stay what you don't know. There is hospital during Jonathan time. Kó gun pa ẹ́ kó pa gbogbo ìran ẹ̀. Kó gun pa ẹ́ kó pààrọ̀ ẹ̀. Kó o fọjọ́ ọlọ́jọ́ lọ kó o ṣàgbá kó o tìǹà tìǹà. Kó o bí ọmọ kó o fọwọ́ ara ẹ̀ gbé o gba àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ sí. You are here saying
Àmín.
rubbish. There is hospital during Jonathan time. There is school during Jonathan time. There is water during Jonathan time. There is security during Jonathan time. Kógun pa ẹ́ kó pa gbogbo ọ̀ràn ẹ̀rún. Kó o bí gbọmọ láyé kó o fojú sunkún gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀. A bag of cement in Nigeria today is 13,500. Kógun pa ẹ́ kó pa gbogbo ọ̀ràn ẹ̀rún.
Adémi, a ti sọ fún yín pé ẹ tí yín ṣe kókó sáwà gbogbo àwọn tó bá ti fẹ́ máa frustrate yín ẹ máa block wọn lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ bí gbogbo ìwé èèyàn ṣe ń ṣe platform.
Was there hospital during Jonathan time? Kó o bí gbọmọ láyé ọ̀fọ̀ owó ẹ̀sìn gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ni. Ògún ló máa pa ìran ẹ̀. Ọmọ Yorùbá yín ló wà ń bẹ̀ náà. Insecurity bad tó bá yẹn the issue of Nigeria. Ìlú òyìnbó tó wà yẹn kó láwọn òbí back home bandit ló máa pa wọ́n ìròyìn burúkú ló máa pa ẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ tó bẹ́ wúrẹ́ tó fi bá yẹ ẹ̀sùn ó máa bá ẹ níbi tó wà yẹn ọkọ̀ ọba àdá ọba máa sá ẹ lẹ́sẹ̀ wàá ṣìṣe nílùú ibi tó wà yẹn wàá ṣìṣe wàá dẹ́ ẹ padà sí Nàìjíríà so you understand what people are facing you know. Olórí burúkú was there security during Jonathan Ògún ló máa pa ìran ẹ there is light during Jonathan bro. Ògún ló máa pa ìran ẹ̀ ó ní sórí ire tìrantìran èyàn olórí burúkú yìí kẹ́bí gba ọmọ láyé ẹ̀ ní jèrè kankan ń bẹ̀ ẹ fojú sunkún gbogbo àwọn ọmọ yín ni gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń support àwọn people yìí gbogbo àwọn owó tẹ́ ń gbà láti fi lọ́ọ́ máa support wọn ẹ fi wo àìsàn kò gbóògùn yes àwọn people yìí ló ń fún wa ní headache man they are giving us problem. Wọ́n jẹ́ ká mọ̀ nǹkan kan tó ń rí lè ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan you understand all of una dey other men's country. You guys are being paid to go out there to do propaganda all the time. Èèyàn lórí burúkú yẹn lẹ máa perú àwa iná lọ́lẹ̀. Ẹ ní sóríire. Ìlú ti bàjẹ́ mẹ́. What is working again, man? A year-old pikin, I see am this morning, then they give am garri. A year-old. Yeah? A year-old pikin, he dey drink garri, he come say gbọ̀rọ̀ báyìí. One more problem don cause sínú life ọmọ yẹn. Kí na fẹ́ ṣe? Na wetin dem get, dem go give the pikin na. You dey here. You dey other men's country, you fit call them one. Your children dey chop chocolate, then they enjoy. You dey ask bastard question. Was there hospital during Jonathan? Ogun ni ó pa ọ́, ni ó pa àrán rẹ̀. There is free bus during Jonathan.
Security wà láyé Jonathan.
During Jonathan.
Ṣé bá wọn lọ àwọn
lórí burúkú.
lọ kó gbogbo àwọn bandits wá láti bà government ẹ̀ jẹ́.
There is even security that time, my brother.
Ṣé láyé
During Jonathan time like this. During Jonathan time, soldier go plenty for road like were. Not be during Jonathan, but I need you go join soldier. Soldier at the road, they check wetin you dey carry without collecting 1 naira for anybody. All the soldier wey dey like this, na money dem dey collect for road, bro. E dey here, they ask bastard question. Ogun ni ó pa ọ́, ni ó pa ọ́. During Jonathan time, all the soldier they want war. Wọ́n fẹ́ ìjà. All those soldier, tán bá gbọ́wọ́ ńgbà yẹn nu wọ́n máa ń dùn ni. Àwọn soldier ń sìn tán bá gbọ́wọ́ báyìí wọ́n á máa bógbẹ́ sára ni pé àwọn ṣàgbákò.
Ẹgbà tó ti fẹ́ pa wọ́n tán. Tán fìyà jà wọ́n náà. Èlò lọ fún wọn.
Back to what I'm saying. Ẹ jẹ́ ní sùúrù kí n tó allow history láti continue ọ̀rọ̀ wọn, then we move to excellency. Back to what I'm saying. I saw something very, can I say, something that I don't understand yesterday. Nígbà tí mo dé ibi tí mo ń lọ yẹn, ìlú yẹn is a popular place. I don't want to mention the state at all. Mo rí mọ́tò àwọn sójà. Ọmọ recruit ló wà ńbẹ̀ o. Mo fọlọ́run tó lẹ́mìí mi búra àwọn tán ti recruit tán ti kó uniform sí lọ́rùn. Age of 18 ló wà nínú mọ́tò yẹn. Mo fọ́ làwọn náà ń pariwo agbárí wọn dán kó gbá. Yesterday. Roundabout bẹ̀rẹ̀ mo sọ fáwọn èèyàn mo ní gbogbo àwọn ọmọ yìí báyìí mo ní federal government ti fẹ́ lọ waste wọn dànù ni. Tí mo bá parọ́ kọ́lọ́n ba ayé mi jẹ́. Ìgbà tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn àwọn èèyàn tó pọ̀ ńbẹ̀ wọ́n ní òótọ́ lẹ̀gbọ́n yìí sọ o. Age of 18 years 18 bí mo ṣe ń wò wọ́n yẹn gan agídí mo lè sọ pé 18 gan bí mi ṣe ń wò wọ́n bá ṣe rí gbẹ́nú àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké wọ́n ti fa agbárí wọn wọ́n ti kó kámò sí wọn lọ́rùn làwọn náà ń pa ariwo burúkú lórí tírọ́ọ̀kì àwọn ọ̀gá wọn náà jókòó nínú bíi àwọn space bus tán máa fi ń kọ́ àwọn staff yẹn ibẹ̀ làwọn ọ̀gá wọn wà táwọn náà ra wọ kámò tán gbé báàgì sẹ́yìn tán jókòó síbẹ̀. All these people are just making noise. Mo ní federal government tún fẹ́ lọ pa àwọn ọmọ ìdánù. Truck tí mo rí yẹn bóyá bíi 9 ni mo rí but wọ́n ti ń lọ kémi tó débẹ̀ bíi 9. Truck yẹn nìkan ni mo rí bíi 9 ni mo rí táwọn sójà yẹn wà níbẹ̀. Recruit sójà ọmọ kéékèèké wọ́n fẹ́ lọ waste àwọn ọmọ yẹn again. Olórí burúkú eléyìí wá ń béèrè. Was there security during Jonathan time? Ó mọ̀ ń sọ ẹ̀yin bandits ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sẹ́yìn o ẹ̀yà sọ́sùn ẹ̀yà síbàdàn ẹ kúrò ní Kwara ẹ ti try Kwara ẹ̀yà sọ́sùn ẹ̀yà síbàdàn ẹ̀yà sẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ẹ̀yà sàbújá ẹ pa everybody. Yes. Tí o bá ti sí humanity kan wọ everywhere kan pa everybody dànù ìwọ tán bá pa ìran ẹ wàá mọ pain táwọn yòókù ń face. Oh yeah, issue or move yourself. Let's hear from you, please.
Hello, Mr.
I want to stand out. Please mute yourself, please.
Hello, Mr. Ademi. Mo kí yín jàre, ẹ kú iṣẹ́ jàre. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ jàre, ẹ kú ètò. Ẹ wo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ country yìí. In fact, it's something to write to. In fact, it's not something to write to me about. It's in such a way that a lot of things is going on that is not even palatable. ẹni tó bá mọ̀ kó tó ń lọ country ọlọ́run ni is just a novice in the country
ẹjọ́ ẹ bá
and he's
double
enjoying
tap ẹ bá ṣí ẹ bá
he's
support
enjoying
double tap
ẹni
and
ẹ ń
share
gbádùn
support
nǹkan tó ń
it please.
ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ìsọjẹ́sì tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí ṣe understand bẹ́ẹ̀ kéèsì kan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ipa justice crack kankan lọ́wọ́ tó ń lọ lọ́wọ́ báyìí nísìn those things are what is even making the country go crazy a whole person kọ́kọ́ kidnap bẹ́ẹ̀ it's not working like a bandit scenario bí bandit ṣe ń ṣiṣẹ́ náà kan náà àwọn sójà ṣe ń ṣiṣẹ́ ni kọ́kọ́ dédé gbéyàn
àwọn
bẹ́ẹ̀
sójà náà sọ pé kidnap ẹ̀ náà
sójà ni àwọn náà ṣe bí wọ́n ṣe bí bandit ni títí táwọn people yẹn àwọn activists ṣe pariwo tó ìgbà iná ṣètò wá sọ̀rọ̀ because bàbá yẹn lè kú ó kú gbé bẹ́ẹ̀ nìyẹn lọ́ba tí wọ́n kó wọn sọ̀rọ̀ sí.
ó ṣì ń bọ̀ wá ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí yín ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí everybody it's better we all stand up now make we go hit the street e go still happen.
ọlọ́run ṣebí Arise TV Rufai sì sọ lórí kíní ẹ̀ ọ̀bọ̀n yẹn fat mo ṣì lè ọlọ́run kíní ẹ̀ provoke Rufai Oseni ní Arise TV tòde sọ pé ọ̀bọ̀n yẹn ó ní láti bẹ̀rù take space láti sọ̀rọ̀ against ìsọjẹ́sí yẹn rubbish tó ṣẹlẹ̀ is nonsense which can happen to anybody ṣe understand bẹ́ẹ̀ so gbogbo àwọn kan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní country yìí àwọn military gan lọ́wọ́ nú and that's why that idiot that military defence staff ó sọ pé Boko Haram are our people ṣé if they are our people kí gbogbo máa gbé ìbọn kanásẹ̀ sí ìbọn gbà yẹn a máa para wa kiri ṣé kí gbogbo máa para wa kiri kan tó ń sọ nìyẹn o if they are our people kí gbogbo máa gba ammunition gbogbo yẹn.
ẹ má bínú pé mo interject bọ̀bọ̀ Rufai yẹn tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa mi ó máa ní tiẹ̀ kọ́ ẹ̀ débi pé ibi tó ti ń sọ ọ́n tako ẹ̀ lẹ́yìn.
exactly wọ́n máa ń tako ẹ̀ wọ́n tako ẹ̀ ṣé àbàtì la fẹ́ sọ kí lẹ sọ.
níbi iṣẹ́ gbọ̀ngàn lára ìsìn yẹn máa ń tako ẹ̀.
Can you imagine these are people who stand for the masses. This is when we talk about when there is cheating yẹn mi ò fat mi gan fúnra mi gan mi ò like cheating ká máa cheat olúwa ẹ̀.
ìkejì ẹ obìnrin Somtoshuku tíjẹ ẹ fẹ́ ṣe wedding last year tòbí gbà tó ayẹmọdé tó fẹ́ lọ pa ìyẹn fo 3-story building ló jábọ́ tó wọ́n gbé lọ hospital tó sùn.
àbí
wọ́n fẹ́ lọ pa mọ́lé
ni àwọn people yẹn ti sọ̀rọ̀ tó wà very key point that has to do with saving woman lives. So a lot of things ti ṣẹlẹ̀ country tẹ́ pé kò wà okay rárá tó and we are looking at it à ń wò bẹ́ẹ̀ à ń wò lọ kó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ and this is which this government wants. They won't want to speak up, they want to act fast on ní fẹ́ ṣe on time but wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ sí wọn a máa pick ẹni ẹ̀ up ni freely láti wá gbẹ́ ẹni ẹ̀ tán olúwa ẹ̀ lọ ni and they want to silence people àwọn tó bá ní òótọ́ láti sọ wọ́n máa ń silence wọn ni wọ́n ní fẹ́ kó speak to power you understand bẹ́ẹ̀. So these are the things that Nigerians are getting to wake up now. Nigerians are waking up little by little because Koton Shele Lowo Nisin is spreading. I saw some of those APC people, our mama, Wejali people, no gbé placard kiri, tó ní vote Tinubu, tó ń pariwo vote Tinubu níbi side ọ̀nà gate Gowan Estate. I'm living at Ipaja here. So àwọn kìíní ẹ mo kọ̀ ní gbogbo ọmọ ní àwọn people yóò máa ti suffer tó. Àwọn people yóò ti suffer tó. They are still suffering in silence and they still want that man to be in power. It is well o. Nigeria gan we need deliverance.
ìyẹn jọyún.
Nigerians itself need deliverance and these are the people you see outside dem and dem atọrọ ẹjọ ẹ fún mi ní owó ẹjọ ẹ ràn mí lọ́wọ́ ẹ fún mi bàbà ẹjọ ẹ ràn mí lọ́wọ́ and they won't meet this person tó wà ní Abuja. Time tẹ kàn ké fún lélẹ̀ tẹ kàn máa sọ pé yes o bàbá yìí o ẹ jẹ́ à change power yìí o ẹ jẹ́ à change bí ọ̀dọ́ máa ní kọ́ ẹni wà ní jẹ́ ó ṣe in suffering and smiling o possible now. And the tax ń bọ̀ lọ́wọ́ báyìí nísìnyí bàbá yẹn ti keep tax yẹn nísìnyí ahead of his entering of second term tax yẹn máa dúró mo ṣe wà yẹn tẹ́ bá fi lè take effort báyìí nísìnyí láti make sure pé bàbá yóò wọlé this stance of a thing is ready to bring it in open there torí election yìí ni láti tí ń sọ kí gbogbo wa máa kí gbogbo wa jí o kí gbogbo làkàyè gbogbo wa jí o ọlọ́run kí ni ẹ in fact it's not okay at all ẹ wo Mr. Adébí mo ń lọ bí iṣẹ́ jàre yìí.
ṣe wo last president tó ti sọ̀rọ̀.
ṣé Tinubu.
nígbà ọba tún sọ pé ó ní báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ jẹ́ pé foreigners wọ́n wá sí Nàìjíríà wípé òògùn tí bóun ti fẹ́ bá UK sọ̀rọ̀ tí bóun ti fẹ́ bá US sọ̀rọ̀ àti another country pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu lásán wípé tó bá dẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ ń pa táàsì nìfẹ́ pé Nàìjíríà á máa pariwo. ó mọ̀ kò ní fẹ́ wọlé kó tó máa. olówó lè lọ́wọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹnu lásán.
ó mọ̀ àbáyé mọ̀ kan tó ń ṣe Ọlọ́run ife tẹ bá rí èṣù kẹrí Tinubu Ọlọ́run kò sí yàtọ̀ nù wọn.
So my brother, what do we do? What's the solution?
The solution is that gbogbo mo ṣe ń follow trend yẹn ẹni tó sọ pé òun wà so clean ní kí èèyàn follow ẹni tó máa make changes in Nigeria tó máa fi wà okay ní kókó báyìí nísìn follow that trend no someone that will draw us back. No someone that will draw us back to 1998.
Can you now name one person that is fair and clear among them?
For now, I can't still say because I'm still having that leg shaking. If I'm to say somebody that is very sure of his Obi, that's my own person. That's my own person. For me, that's my own particular interest. Hello? Hello,
sir. That
yes.
Peter Obi you are clamoring for.
Yes.
Has now proved himself to be an Olosho politician.
No, you don't say that. You don't say, please, sorry, you don't say that. There's this thing I want you to say. Okay. If the opponent, if the opposition are the one using every means to chastise people from their party, you know when you have a Judas Iscariot in the midst of places, you understand me? That place won't be at peace. That place won't be at peace. And you see Atiku in that midst. You see many people in that midst. You understand me? It will be easier for him. And people want this person to be, but Atiku don't want to rest for him. You understand? Atiku is only using his head in that scenario. Atiku is using his glory.
Atiku was there before Peter Obi. Don't get it wrong.
Okay.
Atiku was there before and Peter Obi later joined them with the likes of Camp Wanso. Then you are shouting that you want to save Nigeria.
Okay. My brother, good morning.
Why can't they come together?
Please double tap and share support live, please.
Very ọ̀rọ̀ Peter Obi tó ń join party oríṣiríṣi. First thing tani láti mọ̀ ni pé it is constitutional to join any party you want. You can leave any party you want at any time you want, except bóyá o ti already win election yẹn o wá fẹ́ kúrò ìyẹn ni ó wà illegal, but moving from party to party before the election it is constitutional. Tinubu tẹ̀ ń sọ iye party mélòó ló ṣe kó tó wá dípò APC ló wá ẹjọ́ Atiku fúnra rẹ̀ Atiku ti wà ní APC rí iṣẹ́ mọ̀ ó tún padà sí PDP tó tún move lọ sí ADC ó tún move so kò mean ní kankan. The case of finish. No, tẹ́ bá wà níbi kan tẹ́ fẹ́ achieve nǹkan
my brother.
Níṣẹ́ jẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ tán mo ò lè pẹ́ bíbáyìí
Lèmi náà lè pẹ́.
Tẹ́ bá wà níbi kan.
The case of Tinubu is quite different from Peter Obi.
The same thing ni gbogbo ẹ̀. The same thing.
No. It's not the same thing.
Tẹ́ bá tẹ̀ ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ má sọ̀rọ̀ Tinubu sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ẹ má sọ̀rọ̀ Tinubu sí.
You made mention of Tinubu.
Òun náà ti jọ pàtórí ṣé òun dá pàtórí ṣíṣílẹ̀ ni kí ló dé tó ń dá pàtórí ṣíṣílẹ̀.
Tinubu púpọ̀ ló pàtórí ṣíṣílẹ̀ àwọn máàjì yàtọ̀ sí pé kéèyàn máa dá pàtórí ṣíṣílẹ̀.
wọ́n àìkọ́ yín match káàkiri ẹ ní sùúrù ẹ jẹ́ nǹkan fún yín interest everybody everybody has interest right.
Tinubu ò lọ káàkiri o wọ́n wá ń ba ẹgbẹ́ tiwa rè jẹ́ ká dà pọ̀ ẹgbẹ́ tiwa rè.
ààrẹ náà ní interest in everything politics ní interest in everything tí kò bá pè yín ẹ máa met pẹ̀lú yàn.
a sọ pé a fẹ́ yọ Tinubu kí gbogbo wa parapọ̀ ká yọ ẹ̀yin náà ẹ fa ẹnìkanlẹ̀ bójá àsìkò ni bójá
ẹ
ìwò
share
ni
support the life ẹ bá dọ́bútà ẹ bá share please ẹ bá
Àtíkù
support
yàtọ̀ sí
life
Tinubu ẹni láti mọ̀ yẹn.
dọ́bútà
Àwọn
please
àṣìṣe
support the life please.
Àtíkù yàtọ̀ sí màá yẹn. Àtíkù yàtọ̀ sí màá yẹn.
tí Àtíkù
Àmọ́-
ṣe president rí ni àbí
Ìgbà tó wà ń báyìí tó ń ṣe àwọn náà kan tó ń ṣe ní ẹjẹ̀ tí ẹ má kí n deviate kúrò ní nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ. Ẹ má kí n deviate.
kí ló ṣe nígbà tó wà ń vice ṣé economy wa wọ́n
Tí ẹ bá wà níbì kan tẹ fẹ́ achieve nǹkan kan tí opponent yín tó ń da iyẹ̀pẹ̀ sí nǹkan tẹ̀ ń ṣe ń bẹ̀ yẹn táwọn ènìyàn ọ̀dẹ̀ ń gbàbọ̀dé fún yín nínú ibi tẹ̀ wá yẹn kí lẹ máa ṣe?
ibẹ̀ yẹn gangan ló ti yẹ kí gbogbo wọn sowọ́pọ̀ kó wá fight opponent yẹn sẹ́.
Ìgbà tí ọ̀dẹ̀ fẹ́ sowọ́pọ̀ nǹkan ìgbà tí ọ̀dẹ̀ wá fẹ́ sowọ́pọ̀ nǹkan.
tóun sì kí wọ́n jẹ́ sí wọn before kó tó take move ni.
Sí.
tó sì kí àbí ńgbà táwọn fẹ́ lọ sí ADC.
Ẹsẹ̀ kankan fún anybody tí mo notice kankan pé most APC supporters wọ́n máa ń hide under Àtíkù àti Ṣòwòrè.
kí ló pè mí
most
pẹ̀lú
APC
APC supporter
Nǹkan tó máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀
ẹ̀yin
ní-
gbogbo APC supporter.
Mi ò ń ṣe APC supporter.
tí ADC bá sọ fún
Everybody
mi
tó bá mú mi bíbá everybody tó mú mi bíbá yọ mọ̀ pé mo ń ṣe APC supporter. And most people don hide under is it that àwọn tó ti
àwọn
accept àwọn tó
olùdíje
support.
lórí platform yìí we are clamouring for better Nigeria.
Tẹ bá ń kọ́ lọ pa better Nigeria tẹ bá ń kọ́ better Nigeria kí lẹ máa fi.
bàbá yìí ó ti split ìbò again là ń sọ fún yín ẹ jẹ́ ká máa sọ reality fúnra wa ó ti split ìbò là ń sọ fún yín.
ADC yìí wà ń court ADC yìí wà ń kọ́ṣẹ́ mọ̀ṣá.
ADC wà
Nínú ò tí clear tán kí nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ kò tí clear tán.
ṣé dandan ni ká ṣe election ni tí gbogbo wọn bá da gbogbo ẹrú káàdé election ṣe.
Nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀ understand lele jerry Tinubu is a Machiavellian bàbá yẹn wà very very cunning.
Who is this fad tó ń sọ pé are you here to defend Tinubu ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ kí n ever support Tinubu.
Ẹni sùúrù ṣẹ́rí máa yẹn máa yẹn ò fẹ́ kí election hold kò fẹ́ kó hold rárá and you
kí
people are
revolution take
playing
place gbogbo àwọn pípọ̀ ìtọ́kùnrin àwọn ọjọ́ yìí kájọ bọ́ sójú títì ṣebí àwọn náà wọ́n ṣà protest bóyá.
kí ni before ṣẹ́rí kẹ́tọ́lẹ̀ hold revolution there has to be a reason and there should be a legal reason for it.
bísí ta fẹ́ fi hold the revolution ni pé end bad governance. ṣé ìyá tó ń jẹ́
That is not enough. One of the best reasons to hold. One of the best reasons. One of the best reasons. One of the best reasons. Àwọn èèyàn máa fi jáde síta.
mi ò dẹ̀ ní kíkò fún láíláí.
One of the best reasons tí everybody lè jáde ní pé ẹ jẹ́ kó rig election tó fẹ́ rig ẹ jẹ́ kó rig that is enough reason for people to come out tẹ́ bá kọ̀ jáde Edinburgh government they will just let him rig it and people will come out last election àwọn èèyàn fẹ́ jáde Peter Obi ló sọ pé àwọn èèyàn máa jáde listen àwọn èèyàn listen sí this time around àwọn èèyàn we have learnt now tó bá ti rig again.
ṣé ẹgbẹ́ nǹkan tó yìnbó sọ ṣá ṣé ẹgbẹ́ nǹkan tó yìnbó sọ.
kí ló yìnbó sọ.
if we don't fight for your right don't cry for what you lost. èèyàn o lè jà fẹ́ tó ẹ̀ kí lè ń sọ yìí náà o defend the man.
ẹ̀gbọ́n kan tí mò ń sọ ni ṣé ẹ̀gbọ́n kan tí mò ń sọ ṣá tẹ́bákọ̀ jáde sí pé end bad governance.
last election tẹ́ ẹ̀ sọ ni mo bá yín fà kí ló dé tí o jà fẹ́ tó ẹ̀ kí gbogbo èèyàn jáde tí o jẹ́
ẹ sọ ọkọ fún yín tí èèyàn bá lose election in this time around ṣẹ́rí Peter ń sọ yìí he has nothing to lose tó bá lose election the man is doing well àwa Angola máa jà fún kínní the people ẹni tá fẹ́ lélẹ̀ wọ́n ò dẹ̀ fún èèyàn ló máa jáde èèyàn ló máa jáde not him tẹ bá ń wá leader kan tó máa ṣẹ́rí ẹ lọ most revolution tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ all over the world there is no head there is no face to it kò sẹ́ni gbà tó ń sọ pé òun èmi ní leader that is not revolutions are spontaneous things kò ń ṣe nǹkan tó ń plan kò ń ṣe nǹkan tó ń ẹ máa dúró de Peter Obi kó máa gbáwájú níbo tí ready nìyẹn.
no our revolution.
our right is the election coming and we know this man cannot win it we know that Tinubu cannot win that election he's going to rig it let him rig it.
bó ṣe wá pín
gbàgbé kí àwọn èèyàn mẹ́ni tó ń fẹ́ ṣé ẹ̀jẹ̀ kan fún yín pa most
àwọn èèyàn
most
wọn lọ́bẹ̀rẹ̀ tó fẹ́ ṣé Tinubu ò ní sọ̀pọ̀tà mọ́ ni ẹ̀dẹ̀ sọ ẹ̀jẹ̀ ká máa
sọpọ́tà mélòó ní màá yẹn ni sọpọ́tà mélòó ní màá yẹn ni sọpọ́tà mélòó lè wé ni ló pín ráìsì aggressively èèyàn mélòó ló
listing ní sọfídàì àbí sọfídàì ni listing ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ gbọ́ra wáyé ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ máa ṣe àwọn mathematics kọ̀ọ̀kan last election Tinubu kò sí in power ó pull out 8 million votes tí INEC sọ fún wa.
ẹ bá double tap nobody is tapping ẹ bá double tap na everyone if you are not speaking yet double tap and share.
tí gbogbo wa wà níbí báyìí tí gbogbo wa wà níbí báyìí.
ẹ fẹ́ pẹ́ mọ̀kọ́ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní election yẹn ẹ fẹ́ pẹ́ mọ̀kọ́ tó ṣẹlẹ̀.
gbogbo wa la mọ̀ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nígbà tí ẹni tá a bá sọ pé wọlé tí òun náà jáde síta káàtì lẹ́yìn nǹkan ẹ̀yin gan lẹ́sọ fúnra ara yín sì kó ní ká má jáde.
òun náà mò ń sọ fún yín ẹ jẹ́ ìsọkọ́ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ fún yín ṣé rí màá yẹn Peter Obi kò ń ṣe first time tó máa tẹ̀ ní election yìí.
brother please hold on see let me tell you something this una Peter Obi sef ẹni turu me I'm scared of that man right now. hold on ẹni turu Mr. Fad excellence ó ṣe Tinubu supporter o ṣẹ́rí máa yẹn ó fuck you up that last election. ó ti mú ìwọ ló ní mandate let's go out there to defend this mandate tabalọ kú kakú dànù. ó jàpọ̀ mandate yẹn báyìí tá a máa jẹ̀yà yẹn lọ́wọ́ right now are we not suffering right now. kí ló fẹ́ràn sí pé tó bá tún rig again tó bá tún win máà ni yóò tún ní dákẹ́ you will not go to court.
ẹ jẹ́ explain kankan ẹ jẹ́ sáré explain kankan ṣẹ́rí máa yẹn Peter Obi that was not the first time tí wọ́n máa ṣerú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ fún election wọ́n ti ṣe fún rí ní state ó dẹ̀ lọ sí court ó dẹ̀ win so ó ti believe nǹkan tó rò bóyá máa ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn ipò okay let's go to court let's go to court.
táwọn èèyàn sọ fún pé kóòtù kò lè win kóòtù o ṣó listen táwọn èèyàn gbà ẹ.
peter mi sọ pé this time around
ṣe nítorí pé wọn ti pa family wa òun là yẹn sọ gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ òsì yìí let's go out there make we go shut down everywhere bro then they kill people every day everybody wey dey talk about 2027 some people no go still see that 2027 na wetin una no know be that. That guy wey dem kill day before yesterday the guy sef also have plan for that 2027 ṣé wọn paranu you guys are talking about 2027 even the Bible you are carrying up and down that Bible you believe on e dey tell you say make you live your life as if you are not gonna see tomorrow why you worry about 2027 why don't you take action now. No, the 2027 during Jonathan they go out there to protest against Jonathan. You are here
if you go Sowore tó jẹ́ enemy
ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀
oníkàní Obi jáde sí títì ìgbà yẹn ni bóun máa fún ní support straight ni oníkàní Obi jáde sí títì Sowore gan tún sọ pé tí Obi bá jáde sí títì òun gan máa fún support.
Double tap and share please support the live. Ura send your this thing send your request please.
ìlú fẹ́ Obi lóòótọ́ ǹjẹ́ àwọn alágbára ìjẹ́ wọ́n fẹ́ jẹ́ kó débẹ̀ kọ́sọ́mọ̀ nǹkan tó máa ṣe fáwọn nǹkan tá à ń sọ fún yín gangan nìyẹn. last kìíní yẹn ló ti yẹ kó jáde kí gbogbo wa fi full force yẹn ká fi bá àwọn pípù ìjà ọlọ́run tí ẹni jẹ́ kí yẹn fà dá nǹkan pọ̀ pẹ̀lú Tinubu láyé tí máa fi wọlé ọlọ́run fún tó bá jẹ́ òun nìkan lókun torí ẹ̀gọ́ gbogbo Yorùbá nation tó ń pariwo mi support ẹ̀ láyé kọ̀sà àwọn náà tún máa ẹ̀ẹ́dì wa tó bá fọ̀mù Yorùbá nation gangan kí la ń bá a ní ká bójú bàbá yìí jẹ́ during this APC era lọ pa youth ní gbogbo Èkó ní endsars protest àmọye youth lọ ti fi ṣètùtù dànù ká dẹ̀ bójú wọn jẹ́ ẹ̀yin táwa pè ní leaders wa ta fẹ́ tẹ̀lé instead kí gbogbo yín kẹ́ pera yín kí meeting yẹn kó yé yín pé ok ó yá Obi go there Atiku go there 4 years ló máa ṣe o with mutual agreement kẹ́tẹ̀ fi kọ́kọ́ bá wa lé Èkó bẹ̀ báwọn ṣe lé Jonathan ẹ wá ń pínra yín káàkiri ẹ ń ṣe kínní so ẹ rò pé ìbò ní pín bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ẹ má yẹ ká máa tanra wa tá a bá ń ronú wé ká máa ronú bínọ̀sì àwọn èmi I'm not here to support Tinubu and I will never support him ìbò mi gan tí n bá fún Peter Obi ní 2027 ṣé ìbò ẹyọ kan mi ló fẹ́ gbé wọlé agbọ́dọ̀ sọ reality tó bá tún ti split báyìí láti kú náà bá contest àti mọ̀ pé bò tún ti pín nìyẹn kí la wá ń bára wa fà ṣé kò yẹ ká bára wa sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ náà 2023 kí ló dé tó yẹ òun tí ò jáde ká bọ́ sí títì kóòtù tó jẹ́ pé gbogbo dùjíṣẹ́
àdéhùn ẹsẹlẹsì ká lè gbọ́ látọ̀dọ̀ ẹlòmíì please. ẹ ṣì wà ń bẹ̀ yẹn má kúrò ẹ ṣì dúró síbẹ̀ o.
judiciary
ọkọ̀
gbogbo
máa
ẹ̀ ló ti
ráǹdì
rà
ọ̀rọ̀
pátán
kan. Lobatan
judiciary
can ṣe
gbogbo ẹ̀ ló ti
everyone
rà pa
please support the line.
ó ti kọ́lé fún wọn òun ló ní IG òun ló ní everybody báyìí lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ so alágbára ni máyì tó yẹ ká dẹ̀ kọ́ńkà ẹ̀ àti wọn ń pera wa à ń sọ pé kinní kan táyé bá ń fẹ̀yàn náà èèyàn máa fọpọlọ sí pé ọpọlọ wo la fẹ́ fi jà kí ni weapon táwọn ènìyàn fi bá wa jà làwa náà máa fi bá wọn jà ẹ ń lójú ogun ẹ gbébọn àtàdá dání kí la fẹ́ fi jà.
Hello brother, ní 2023 election tí ẹ sọ pé kí Obi jáde Tinubu ò tí ì rule Nàìjíríà so kò tí ì sí evidence tí wọ́n fẹ́ fi hold ẹ̀ wípé òkè kò ṣèlú dáadáa but this time around now tí Obi bá contest tó dẹ̀ win tí wọ́n dẹ̀ rí ìgẹ̀ Obi lè jáde nsìn because evidence ti wà wípé ó ti ṣe fún one term àárín nǹkan tó o ṣe ìṣe ló tún bàlú jẹ́ but nígbà yẹn tẹ́ ní kó bí jáde yẹn kí ló fẹ́ fi hold against ti Tinubu wípé òkè òun bá kò tí ì rule ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ force ara ẹ̀ sórí ìjọba ni ìgbà yẹn tó bá jáde ńgbà yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe Tabiola pa náà nìyẹn tẹ́ ní kó lọ declare ara ẹ̀ as a winner but ní this second time sí ó ti ní evidence tó lè fi jáde tí ó bá win.
mo gba nǹkan tẹ́ sọ ṣebí evidence kan náà ló gbé lọ sí court.
ìyẹn that is evidence pé because àwọn nǹkan táwọn Tinubu máa lò nígbà yẹn ni wípé ṣe é rí election tá a ṣe o tí wọ́n wà democratically ẹ̀tọ́ elect Tinubu o ẹ̀wò ó fẹ́ dàlúrú ni o ṣe é ti ríṣẹ́ o so but this time around second time nsìn tó bá tún contest tí Tinubu tún fẹ́ try so evidence ti wà tó lè fi sọ pé yes ó wà justify láti pé kóun defend kìíní òun sìn but ní 2023 Tinubu ò tí rule ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ rule for the first time ni so a dẹ̀ ti rí atrocity tí pé kò move Nigeria forward so àwọn evidence yẹn ti wà ń sìn so òun gọ́gọ́ ó ti jẹ́ kó yé everybody sí pé this time around tó bá tún try láti dàbàrú election òun gan máa jáde sórí street but the first time yẹn kò lè jáde sórí street because wọ́n máa demolẹ́tẹ̀ wípé ó participate nínú election torí pé ó lose ló ṣe fẹ́ dàlúrú kò fẹ́ concede kò fẹ́ accept the result but this second time now ó ti sọ fún yín pé tóun bá win òun máa jáde tóun bá win tó tún fẹ́ yí mọ́ òun lọ́wọ́ tó fẹ́ dàrú òun máa jáde bọ́ ó ti ní enough evidence nísìn láti back up láti justify jíjáde tó fẹ́ jáde but that first time kò lè jáde Babiola ṣe jáde ṣe ti Abiola pa nìyẹn.
àwọn tí Abiola pa o mi ò sọ fún ẹgbẹ́ tó ń bá Abiola mọ̀ràn bí adé ni wọ́n wà bẹ́ẹ̀ fàdé ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ló ti gbọ́ ti yín bẹ́ẹ̀.
mi sọ wípé yín but that is Yorùbá bí Yorùbá ṣe máa ń sọ nìyẹn I'm not referring to you personally.
ẹ káàárọ̀ ẹ káàsán.
ó yẹ kí ẹ lè dúró de Peter Obi báyìí.
ṣé ẹ gbọ́ mi ẹ jẹ́ ká máa sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́yìn kọ̀ọ̀kan bó jẹ́ 5 minutes bó jẹ́ 2 minutes ẹ mọ̀ ẹ ta jẹ́ẹ̀tì ẹ̀fọ́ tó bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹnìkan hàn ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ ká mú ìtì ẹ̀ nìyẹn. that is just my own.
mi ti ẹ̀mẹ́ tó ń rún gan báyìí ibi tán ti ń rún òye mi.
Mr. Ozik ló ọrùn Ozik.
ṣe rí ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà ó máa ń sọ.
Ozik tí mo fẹ́ pè kó sọ̀rọ̀ nẹ́ẹ̀sì.
àti rẹ́dì ṣe rí ẹ jẹ́ àpàrà sí Nàìjíríà bá ṣe create Nigeria 1914 I ask myself this question pé ta ló sign amalgamation 1914 nobody signed it except Lord God. You see bíbélì tán fún wa náà wọn ló ní tí ìpilẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bá bàjẹ́ kí ni olódodo fẹ́ ṣe ìpilẹ̀ṣẹ̀ Nàìjíríà ti bàjẹ́ láti ìpilẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wa we need to go back to that drawing board and let create another thing. Jerry opposite I joined politics when I was 17 years old. Then when I joined politics I'm from Ondo State. I'm very active in politics in Ondo State when I talk about Ondo State in láti 1990 something gbàtàdá 4 political parties àwọn ló di USCP náà débi ní plane mo wà lára wọn from the local government. Ṣé rí ìpínlẹ̀ Nàìjíríà ìpínlẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wa kò dá nǹkan tó wá dùn èmi sì ni pé àwọn kan wà ní diaspora we are living abroad tá a rí orí ọ̀fẹ́ Ọlọ́run kọ́ orí ọ̀fẹ́ la rí gbà kì í ṣe bí màá ṣe wa àbíkó Nàìjíríà àtúwà máa support kan tí ó dá ṣẹ́ tí ìlú bá dá àwọn táwọn olóyìnbó kan ọkàn wa balẹ̀ irú Mr. Ademi mo ti ń fọ́lẹ̀ tipẹ́tipẹ́ he want a better country where he can live comfortable and ìyàwó àtọmọ á live comfortable ìkànnì gbogbo wa ní ìdí kì í ṣe ìlú kan tó yẹ pé àwọn kan ló ń jọba lé wa lórí kò yé yín ṣe rí Ọlọ́run dá Nàìjíríà bí orílẹ̀-èdè tó dáa jù lágbàáyé mo máa sọ fẹ́ I study geography Nigeria is the most well created nation in the whole world ẹ lọ́wọ́ but a nífẹ̀ẹ́ ara wa.
tá a bẹ bá a ṣe ẹ bá a support ètò yìí please.
So please kò sí ẹni tó bá ní kí n dá òun nìkan kọ́ màgbésẹ́ ìlú èdè we need to support someone like you now mo máa ń sọ irú platform tẹ́lẹ̀ máa ń lọ lélẹ́yìí tó yẹ pé ìwọ̀n better country everybody want better country kò sí ẹni tó èmi fẹ́ pa sí Nigeria I live in America it's nothing to me I want to go back to my village I want to go back to my village and see the way I grown up kí yé kí n máa sá kí n máa kọ́ lọ́pàá kiri kí má lè jẹ́ kí ọ̀rẹ́ dájọ́ ọjà ìgbàlódé kékeré ká kán wá sílé mi mọ́ kẹ́rù mọ́ gbàgbé wá kidnap máa pa mí that's not a nation ìjẹ́rí China ẹjá lọ wo history China Nàìjíríà fún China lówó South Africa tó ń bá wa jà ń sìn àwọn alágbé wọn débi tán délé ní o ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà ni pé o ò tí igi wà lójú ẹ ò tí yọ lọ́jọ́jú ẹ tí tẹ́lú míì so tí jẹ́rí mo kàn fẹ́ rọ àwọn opposition party yẹn ni when you split tẹ́ bá wo ìbò Peter Obi àti Atiku ní last time election yẹn ó ju ìbò sí Tinubu ní we just need one opposition party in Nigeria they have two party system l'America either Democrat or Republican ní UK either Labour or Conservative ní but now ẹ ti ń divide ara yẹn ẹ ti ń lọ kọ́ ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ these people wọn ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ wa let me say the truth now all these politicians in Nigeria wọn ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ wa ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká nífẹ̀ẹ́ ara wa irú Mr. Ademi sì mi bàbá tó ti wọ́n bí ọmọ Ògùn ṣe ti ní ẹ jẹ́ kó lọ sí House of Assembly a máa dáwọ́ olóṣèlú ní òyìnbó ni a máa dá owó fún olóṣèlú nínú òyìnbó táwa ń gbé ní olóṣèlú ò kì í náwó ara ẹ̀ àwọn la máa dáwó fún ẹ wàá wá lọ sílẹ̀ lọ́ṣojú wa bọ̀ ní Nàìjíríà àwọn agbólówó olóṣèlú ni olóṣèlú tó lọ jẹ́ 1 billion naira tó di House of Rep member ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé 1 billion yẹn kó mójú kúrò ní èmi ẹ̀yin wọ̀nyí là ń gbólówó olóṣèlú ẹ jẹ́ ká stop we need to start preaching this to our people if Nigeria is okay today gbogbo ìrọ̀rùn máa dé bá everybody ṣèyí wọn kàn bẹ̀ wá ní ẹ jẹ́ apá ọ̀tẹ̀ tí bẹ́ẹ̀ kí ọjọ́ bá àti ẹgbẹ́ gómìnà Tinubu yìí kò àdánwò lọ Ọlọ́run fi ṣe fún wa and we need to come together the way they came together 2014 tọ́lẹ̀ Jonathan Akoloroye we need to come together now and send them back to their villages ẹ jọ̀ọ́ Ọlọ́run ràn wá lọ́wọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ká máa preach kílù dáa ìkẹtìṣẹ́ náà ṣe nìyẹn o but because àwọn èèyàn they don't listen they don't check history they don't go and check history go to ChatGPT you will see the way this China started their life wọn ò mọ Ọlọ́run wọn ò kí lọ church o àwọn ló ń print Bible tẹ́ǹkà yìí o àwọn ló ń print Bible ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo fẹ́ bẹ̀ wá ni ẹ jẹ́ ká nífẹ̀ẹ́ ara wa kí Yorùbá nífẹ̀ẹ́ Hausa kí Hausa tó bá wọ́n sí tó bá dẹ̀ fọ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí party ẹ̀ tó ti lé bàbá ẹ̀kẹ́ wọn lọ so may God bless our home no 2027 yẹn ṣì jìnnà àtọ́nà bá dẹ̀ tó bá bí Ọlọ́run ó máa ṣe ìyàwó láyé wa we need a better country may God bless our home thank you very much.
Thank you so much mo really appreciate yín ó ti pẹ́ gan-an mo kàn máa ń rí yín ní under comment yẹn ẹ ń gòkè rárá but mo máa ń rí yín bẹ́ẹ̀ all the time so thank you so much I really appreciate you Elédùmarè á wà pẹ̀lú yín àti ilé àtọ̀nà yín náà Elédùmarè máa tún ṣe so ó kàn jẹ́ pé nǹkan tó bá a lójú jẹ́ tó bá a lọ́kàn jẹ́ ni wípé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gbé lọ́dà men's country yẹn gangan ẹ̀yin lẹ fẹ́ kí ìlú yẹn dá àwọn olórí burúkú tó jẹ́ ọmọ Nàìjíríà tí yà ń jẹ gangan tán gbé ìlú yìí wọ́n wà níbi tán ti ń wo kó àtòbò right now mo ṣe mistake lánàá mo wọ live katayefe ó wọ online within let me just say 10 minutes wọ́n ti fún bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn ní like lásán 5.7 million within 5 minutes ó wọ online mi èrò ló wọ 5 million in 5 minutes gan 90,000 people are watching this guy.
Bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn máa ń tó 20,000 gbà mí gan 20,000.
People they don't care about you guys when you see a platform like this ẹ máa try láti máa support ẹ you understand kò ṣe irú àwọn wèrè yẹn lẹ máa support. You understand? Táwọn náà bá ń ṣe irú orí burúkú yẹn, a mọ̀ pé you bring your money there. But how are we going to fix this country? Tó bá yẹ pé nǹkan everybody wà after nìyẹn. This platform like this, we beg to follow, we beg to share, we beg to do everything. Support the life. Kò bá àti ẹ̀jẹ̀ one rose, ẹ fún wa. Kẹ́tì ẹ̀ sọ pé okay, ẹ ti ẹ̀ mọ rírì wa, ẹ appreciate wa. All those people, they don't ask you guys for anything. Give them different type of thing. Give them universe, give them whatever. You know? Táwọn yẹn bá lè máa ṣe nǹkan táwọn à ń ṣe yìí ni, tó yẹ pé wọ́n fún wọn ní gift, wọ́n bí ìyá wọn dáa kan continue TikTok. You understand? All these things where they do now based on say me how they work. That's why still they come here, bro. Torí pé mo ń ṣiṣẹ́, mo fowó mi ṣe data. I'm using everything lọ́wọ́ ara mi láti ṣe ni. Tán bá bí ìyá kata ife dá àbí kí lorúkọ Pella. Kán má fún wọn ní gift láàrin oṣù kan. Tẹ́ bá máa rí wọn TikTok kẹ́ pè mí lọ máàlì. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe kí fẹ́ mi gift. They will not come again because that's the money they are using to live their lifestyle.
Sorry, continue doing what you are doing.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n ti pẹ́ náà ẹ̀yin náà wọ́n náà láti 2022 ó yẹ kí péjì yìí ti jù báyìí lọ náà. Kò mí ìfẹ́. Ó ti yẹ yín ẹ̀yin náà wọ́n náà ọjọ́ làwọn Pella bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọjọ́ òní kata ife bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ wo màtá. Mo fi sọ̀rọ̀ pa politics kí màtá tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti máa abuse èèyàn náà. Bàbá yẹn ti ra ml ra DK mẹ́ta. Kí ló ṣe online? You understand? Kò make sense, you understand? Táàgùn bá tiẹ̀ lè ra ml táà bá lè ra DK. Kò bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ pé òkè owó yìí data ni. Gift yìí fi ra data fi ra epo. Right now báyìí tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ generator mo tàn sí báyìí. There is no light. Thank you so much, Rola. Generator lẹ́ ń gbọ́ ẹ̀ tó ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn. I bought that for yesterday again. 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira. Ó ti yé yín? All this thing wey they see where they do, I'm not getting paid for it. We have to take the reality now. Àtúnwá máa bẹ̀bẹ̀ ẹ bá tap. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ ń pa yìí, no be only us. Ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí everybody. Nǹkan tẹ́ mọ̀ nìyẹn. Bàbá tán pàǹjẹ́ ṣègbè jẹ́ pani némi ẹ̀. Wọ́n jí gbé níjẹ̀rin wọ́n dẹ̀ pàǹjẹ́ ta némi ẹ̀ gangan. Tó bá jábúrò yín kọ́, tó bá jábúrò mi kọ́, tó bá jẹ́ mi gangan kọ́. You understand? All these things wey una see say person dey do. Bro, gbogbo àwọn tẹ́ máa ń rí tán lọ mọ́ bá èèyàn sọ̀rọ̀ ó yá take Christ kìíní kan. They are being paid to do all those things. Lè believe gbogbo àwọn content creator yẹn. Other opposition leader, they are using them. They are paying them. Everything that I'm doing here, bro, I'm not getting paid for it. I'm not being paid for it. People that knows me know me very well. Wọ́n ti fẹ́ ra èmi náà náà, mo ní mi ò ní price ní náà. Àwa máa bẹ̀bẹ̀ ẹ bá double tap, ẹ bá share. We beg for everything. It's not making any sense. Tí Nàìjíríà bá dáwọ́rọ́ ní ìsìn, àjọ jẹ̀yà ẹ̀ ní náà. You understand? Àjọ jẹ̀yà ẹ̀ ní. Ẹ bá double tap normal thing ni. Èmi náà máa lọ sí life oní life tí mo máa fi kúrò ńbẹ̀ máa tap ni. You understand? I'm not anyhow like gbogbo àwọn lórí burúkú sàló kìíní kan kata ife tán yẹ gbé wá lánàá tí mo rí 5 million people tán ti like ẹ̀ tí mo rí 19,000 people mo block ẹ̀ direct ni because it's not saying something meaningful. Our country is burning, you are there creating content and we are going there to support them. Sẹ́yìn tẹ́ wà nílùú òyìnbó lẹ́yìn wo kata ife 20,000 people are watching the guy within 5 minutes tó ti wá online. We beg for everything here, man. Ẹ wo lórí burúkú Wálé Maria tí mo block him bí how many years ago tí bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn bá ń ṣe live lásán despite the fact pé scammer ni bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn tó bá ń ṣe live wọ́n máa ń tẹ coin 30,000 20,000 fún bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn ó dẹ̀ sọ pé òun ṣe charity ó tó kó 5 million kó 6 million yẹn àwọn èèyàn jẹ tí ò deliver owó yẹn. You understand? Orí live mi yìí dẹ̀ ló ti kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí join live tí mo ti block ẹ̀ because he's supporting bad government. Bàbá yẹn dẹ̀ sáré bẹ̀rẹ̀ ó wò pé báwo ló ṣe lè kó yín jẹ ó lóun fẹ́ ṣe charity ó dẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ live. That's all. Ìgbà míì máa ṣe live tán báyìí màá wo 5 cents. Sometimes I will use 7 hours 6 hours. Ṣé gbogbo àwọn táwọn wo live yẹn ṣé gbogbo àná làwọn pọ̀ bí adé mi ni because I don't get àbí ẹ̀kan nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi normal. We beg for double tapping, we beg for follow, we beg for everything. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí àjọ jẹ̀yà ẹ̀ ni kò ṣe èèyàn kan ló máa jẹ̀yà ẹ̀ o. so bó ṣe rí nìyẹn so ẹ bá tiẹ̀ lè fún wa ní gift ẹ bá support ẹ dẹ̀ bá follow ẹ bá double tap that's all you no go far bàbá mo gbọ́ níta.
I'm trying to send you a DM right now, but later send me a DM, so I will reply. I will reply. But we need to support someone that's why I don't support big. Me, Martin Bella also. I don't see that benefit me would listen to Bella.
Ti rí ohun tí a mú wá fún wa lénìí ẹ bá wa like ẹ bá wa share ẹ bá wa subscribe sí orí Òjíṣẹ́ TV ẹ bá wa tẹ notification bell sí àtàwọn wá tún mú àwọn àkọ̀tun wá fún wa ẹ̀yin lẹ́ ò kọ́kọ́ máa rí títí di ìgbà tá ò tún máa pàdé lórí Òjíṣẹ́ TV ó dàbọ̀.